Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload resume on LinkedIn account. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, just go to linkedin.com and here is my LinkedIn account. We need to click on here, our profile picture, and then tap on this settings and privacy. Inside the settings and privacy, here several options are available. Sign in, security, visibility, and data and privacy. Inside the data and privacy, just little bit scroll down here. The options are available. Job seeking, performance. You can do same process on mobile application. Click here job application setting. After that you can see here your entire resume are available here. If so many resumes are here, just click on three dots and tap on this delete and you can delete entire resume. After that, simply click here upload and select your location resume, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can upload resume on LinkedIn. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.